Welcome to Samora Bot tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can integrate woPurse into your platform, into your website or app. Now here we go. From the menu here, you click on App Config. You click on Video Setup. Now after that, we have use woPurse to accept payment from customers with instant settlement. So you click on woPurse. Either you pass here or you pass through this place. Click here, here, and you click on set up your payment method. Then you choose woPurse. Alright, now how you get your merchant code, how you get your WooKey, just go straight to woPurse.com. Now this is my woPurse account. I don't have any payment, so you just click on config. Now on this place, this is your WooKey. Copy it out, then paste it here, WooKey. Now the next thing is to copy your merchant code. Then you paste it here. Now you can see we have webhook URL, so copy it out. Then go back to display and paste it here. You are good to go. So just click on update, and on this place you click on save. That is all. The next thing to do is to go to your app or into your website to refresh. After you've done that, you see woPurse enabled on your platform. And another thing is, any payment made into the account number generated, you'll be seeing the revenue on this page, and you can click on this place to withdraw it immediately. This is not 24 hours delay, no, so you get your money instantly. Thanks for watching.